Hi, Cameron here with a handy video on how to install your Fisher and Paykel fridge filter. Grab the filter cartridge and turn it counterclockwise until you start to feel it separate. There will be a little bit of water that comes out, so having a container underneath will help in this situation. The next thing we're going to want to do here is remove the filter cartridge from its packaging and place it into the head receiver of the fridge. Once it's in place and you've pushed it up firmly, turn it clockwise until you hear it click into place. Now with the brand new filter cartridge firmly in place, monitor the cartridge for leaks for up to 2 minutes and make sure that's all okay. Now we'll move forward to the front of the refrigerator and open the dispenser. Allow the water to flow out of the dispenser for up to 3 litres. This will allow any air bubbles or carbon fines to be removed from the line. You can now reset the timer indicator light on your refrigerator by pushing in the alarm mute button and the warmer button simultaneously for 4 seconds. For newer models with the LCD screen, push the right arrow button and the lock button simultaneously for 4 seconds to achieve the same result. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.